solar light against the wall. And we have the solar light here, triple head solar wall light. Comes with a solar panel, it's very broad, and triple head. They are also flexible, so it's movable, so you can have the light projected in this direction and the other one in being straight, or you can have both of them going sideways. There's a power button at the bottom right here, so you power it on. So when you turn it on for the first time you press the button right